everybody, Teddy Booker again. I'm a Burst ambassador and I just wanted to tell you a few other things about the toothbrush that I didn't get to tell you in the last video. This is the box that the Burst brush comes in. Inside this box you will have, first you'll get your informational packet. It gives you all the instructions about the toothbrush. And then we also have, obviously, the toothbrush. So this is the black brush. I didn't get to show this to you last time. On the brush itself, you have your power button. This is the whitening mode here. This is sensitive. And then down here is a massage for the gums. On the bottom, there is a plus sign, and that is for charging. When you are at about 20% left of your battery, this will flash and it'll let you know it's time to charge your toothbrush. So then you will put it on your charger. Here's what the charger looks like. And then the charger will charge up. Once it's done charging, the red plus sign will go back to the clear color, which you see on the brush here. Just like that. And you are set and ready to go for 4+ weeks. The charger also has a USB port, so you can charge on your computer as well. Now your brush comes in either black or white, and I showed you the white in the last video. I have the white as well in the travel case that's available. This is actually my toothbrush. So the travel case, it has your toothbrush and then a convenient place for your toothbrush head, and it's in a magnetic case. Now the toothbrush is actually $69.99, but with my code, you can get it for $39.99. And so I'm running kind of a special right now. So it's a entry to win some Burst whitening strips. And those whitening strips are typically $19.99, but they are on a discount with my code for $14.99. You can either get these as a one-time purchase or a subscription. So my code is ZNGRJN, and that will be in the documents there, or the typed out stuff down at the bottom. And if you would like to share this, like this, and then share this, it'll get you into a chance to win. Just letting you know a little bit more about Burst. Have a great day.